Hello guys, this is LC Media. So today I'm showing you how to reverse your clips. So it's very simple. As you can see, this is a normal clip. It's going forward. The camera is moving very slowly. Just select the clip and go to this speedometer looking thing and just click on reverse clip. It's done. And you can choose the speed to go faster and you look like this. You can make it very slow. You can drag it longer like this. And you can see all the cars are moving backward very slowly. You can even use shortcut like Command R to make this bar appear and then just go to custom and choose reverse clip, and that's all. It's even quicker. And then if you just want to have a portion of the clip to be reversed, just cut the clip out and Command R, go to custom, reverse clip, and then you can make it faster by just dragging it to the left. And then if you want to be more fancy, you can just go to the first portion, press R, select a range of the clip, make it faster, and then yeah, you actually don't have to go there. You can just press like here, and yeah, 2 times, 4 times. So this is like a speed ramping. And then when you play this video, you can see that there are abrupt stops like between the reverse clip and the normal clip. So how to solve this is very simple. You just go to transition. For me, I will select a glitch transition. It's from the ultimate transition pack. It's super powerful, it's super good. So I just choose the rewind one and select it and drag it onto my clip. It's actually editable. You can edit the number, edit the color, edit the size of the numbers. For me, I like it clean, so I'm just gonna leave it as it is. And then I'll go to the sound effects, and then I would choose a glitch effect. So these sound effects are from Cinepunch. It's a damn powerful pack with 10,000 over elements and 2,000 over sound effects. So after everything is done, let's see. Okay, that's all for today. Hope you guys enjoy it, and please subscribe. Bye bye.